Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to online study for you, a complete placement solution. Friends, there is a wonderful hiring which is coming here from Ministry of Education, Viswavarti Recruitment. If you have completed 10th, 12th or graduation, then you are eligible to apply for this drive. There is no graduation year criteria or 60% criteria. That means any year graduate can apply for this. There is an age limit of 32 years. And friends, the salary will range between 25 to 30,000 rupees. And definitely this is a government job. Now, what is the syllabus? What is the pattern? The application link is already active and you will be able to apply till 16th of May 2023. Now I will give you the complete information regarding the post, regarding the syllabus and the pattern. So please watch the video till the end. Before that, friends, all the jobs requires a very good spoken English, and that's the reason we have started a class, English spoken class plus job interview preparation by Jil ma'am and Pratik sir. So we have two batch, beginner and intermediate. So if you feel that this classes is definitely going to help you, then you can enroll for this. The link will be given in description. So already live and recorded classes will be there, and only at a student will be in a batch. You will be also able to give the mock interview. So there are a lot of things which will be packed in this course just for 499 rupees, right? So beginner and intermediate. Now, so friends, let us go through the advertisement, right? So friends, the application is started from 17th of April and till 16th of May you will be able to apply. Now there are a lot of posts are there, but you have to apply for lower division clerk, junior office assistant and multitasking staff, and then 18th one is laboratory attendant. Okay, so these are the three posts we had to apply. So multitasking staff we have 405 seats, and then LDC junior office assistants we have 99 seats, and 18th one laboratory attendant we have 45 seats. See, others also are part of this recruitment. I mean, you can see the post, but for that the you need experience and you have to have some kind of certification, right? So we will be focusing on 11th, 12th and 18th. Okay, now, so if we go and check, so what is this 11th posts? So 11th post is here. So junior office assistant come typist. Okay, so a bachelor degree from any recognized institute or university. So if you have done a bachelor degree like BCom, BA, BTech, anything, it's not like you have to do BTech only. Okay, so English typing speed 35 word per minute, that you will be easily able to do it, and proficiency in computer operation. Friends, see, if you have done BTech, then definitely you already having proficiency in computer operations, and you already having a very good speed also, right? Because you have done a lot of codings. And then we have multitasking staff. So here qualifications you can see 10th pass from a recognized board, right? Or ITI pass, right? So you can see the eligibility criteria. And then if you'll see the 18th one, then 10 plus 2 pass in science stream from any recognized central or state board. So these are the three posts for which you are going to apply. Okay, now friends, one more thing which I wanted to tell you. So there is a fee criteria. Okay, so there is a fee criteria, friends. So if you are from general, right, so here it will be given, I will show you, so you can just go through that. Okay, so basically you are going to apply for the post C. Okay, so group C. So if you are from the general, OBC, EWS, then 900 rupees. If you are from SC ST, then 225. And Omen and PWD, so it's nil, you do not have to pay anything. So the fees is zero for the women candidate, right? Okay, now, so if we'll talk about the syllabus is also very similar to what we have, for Infosys, TCS, Wipro hiring and all. Friends, one thing which I wanted to tell you. So see, on our YouTube channel, daily we update, right? So with the hiring, so it is, if it is SBI hiring or Trebo hiring, work from home hiring, so each and every hiring we update on our channel. So if you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and click on bell icon, right? Okay, now, so friends, as you know, right now Wipro, Capgemini, Cognizant, these companies are not hiring, which you might be definitely aware. Okay, and that hiring can be only expected from June 2023 onwards, not before that. Now, so if we'll talk about the syllabus, friends, if you are appearing for Wipro test or Infosys or TCS or any kind of examination, then you will be having reasoning ability, yes. Mathematical ability, I mean aptitude, yes. You will be having verbal ability, English, yes. Computer awareness, you already know. Control plus C what it does, Control plus D what it does, Control plus P what it does, right? So that computer awareness, and then you will be having general awareness, right? So this is the only one which you have to prepare. General awareness means like what is happening right now. So who is the current prime minister, who is the chief minister of, suppose, current chief minister of Tamil Nadu, right? So this kind of like, the right now there is an election in Karnataka. So after the election, so who will become the chief minister of Karnataka? So this kind of questions, general awareness questions, will be asked. Okay, so this is the syllabus and the duration will be 2 hours. Okay, and friends, this is the paper 1 MCQ type for all administrative non-teaching library cadre post. So basically you are applying for post 11 and 12, right? So this is the syllabus. So general awareness already they have given. Reasoning, see, you will be easily able to do because already reasoning questions you are doing. Mathematical ability you are doing, right? And see, this English means sentences such as synonyms, antonyms, vocab, grammar, and the test will cover computer fundamental, basic application of computer, components of computer, what is CPU, right? What is motherboard? So these things, what is software, what is hardware, operating system, right? So like we have in Windows, we have Linux, we have, right, internet and security and networking. So these kind of things will be there, right? Okay, now and other things, right? So see, the things you can see paper 2 MCQ for the following post. So this is for different posts, right? So for all 11, 12 and 18, so this will be your syllabus. So friends, see, right now definitely here, if you are applying, so there is a fees. So if there is a fees, you will be definitely able to hear back from them, right? So you can see you have to fill the form, personal details. So this is National Testing Agency will be conducting your test. So personal details, qualification details, document upload, and then payment. Okay, so when you apply here by paying some amount, you will be definitely able to hear back. Your exam will be scheduled, right? You will be able to write the test. But what happens, right? So when we apply here like Tribo work from, so this kind of work from home, so what happens, many times you don't get any reply, because see, they will be going through your resume and they will be checking on all other factors as well, right? So here definitely you will be getting the reply from them. So this is what I wanted to tell you, friends. So utilize the opportunity, because see, many people will be thinking, why should we write this, why should we write this, and in that only very less people applies, and they will be getting selected here. Thank you, take care, and all the very, very best. So please go ahead and apply for this. The syllabus is same and the salary also is good. So you'll be starting with 25 to 30,000 rupees per month.